Deep beneath the Earth's surface, a powerful force lies in wait. But what awakens a sleeping giant? It begins with magma, molten rock from the Earth's mantle, slowly pushing its way up, building immense pressure. When that pressure becomes too great, the volcano erupts. A sudden explosive event blasts ash, gas, and rock thousands of feet into the sky. Fiery rivers of lava flow down the mountainside, unleashing a torrent of ash, gas, and molten lava. A dramatic and powerful display of nature's force.